volcano. Hello, I'm Philip. What is a volcano?
Hello Philip, I can help to understand what is a volcano. Stratovolcano. First, we start with one of the two types of volcanoes, stratovolcanoes. A stratovolcano is a cone-shaped volcano composed of layers of lava, ash and rock. These volcanoes often have steep slopes and are known for their explosive eruptions, in German called Stratovolcan. Now we are looking how a volcano is structured. This is a magma chamber. This is a conveyor tube, and these are side craters. And here you can see the main crater. When the stratovolcano erupts, lava, ash and rocks are pushing out of the volcano in the air. Stratovolcanoes are more violent than shield volcanoes. Shield volcano. Now we are looking at shield volcanoes. A shield volcano has a much larger area and is sometimes up to 20 times the size of a stratovolcan. A shield volcano has the same structure than a stratovolcano. A shield volcano has a large area but is also not so high. This is the magma chamber. This is a conveyor tube. These are side craters. And this is the main crater. When a shield volcano erupts, lava is quickly spread out of a large area and then it flows down the volcano. Mauna Kea. The Mauna Kea is a famous example for a shield volcano. The Mauna Kea is a shield volcano located in Hawaii. It is 4,207 meters high over the sea level, 5,969 meters under the sea level, and 7,000 meters under the seabed, so totally 17,000 meters. Mauna Kea is over 1 million years old and didn't erupt since 4,500 years, but sometime it will erupt. Zusammenfassung auf Deutsch. Es gibt zwei verschiedene Hauptarten von Vulkanen. Stratovulkane sehen aus wie ein Berg, höhere Explosionskraft und tiefer Schlot. Schildvulkane sind eher flach, nicht so explosionskräftig. Beim Ausbruch wird schnell viel Lava über ein großes Gebiet verteilt.